Alrighty, good morning and welcome back to another Freightliner video with me and Beans. David's gonna show up, Alex is coming right now. As you guys can see in the other video, we purchased the top cap finally, and they said it was new. We doubt it's new. It looks like it's been kind of bundled all the way around, but it's totally fine. It was only $2,000, got the exterior and it's got all the interior parts, so that's totally fine with us. It's a good deal. We found some other ones, they wanted like $4 grand, $4.5, and we decided we're just gonna go with this one. As you guys can see right here, yeah, we kind of screwed it up here.
The cardboard fell off,
but we'll just put more fiberglass, touch it up, paint it, get all fixed. But here it is, if you guys haven't seen the other video. This is the cap for the Freightliner. Just have to get these flaps that go on the side, diffusers, whatever you want to call them, wind flaps. But this is it right here, all the interior in there. We're gonna go right now to the yard. We finally got the forklift started. Didn't want to start all winter. I think it got too cold, got clogged up with whatever it gets clogged up with, not sure. We called our buddy Dimitri from Pasco, and he is like, yo, you gotta do this. So we did this when it started.
this and that.
Yeah, this and that. So thank you. Anyways, we're gonna head to the yard right now. Have David and Alex and Dan probably try to help us flip this thing around, set it on top of the cab itself. Probably set it on 2x4s and whatnot while we put all the glue and stuff all the way around it. Yeah, that's what we need to do. We'll go get the glue. So this video might be like started today, it might end like tomorrow or not. It will be a whole video in one, but it might take a few days for us to get it installed. Seems easier than when we first installed it, but you never know. I never installed it, so I'm not exactly sure at this point. But from the looks of it, it should just be a lot easier. True or not, I don't know. We're gonna give it a try, so we're gonna hit the road, go to the yard, and we'll show you guys, I guess, how to install this thing. It'll be a couple videos. We'll show you guys, you know, how we're lifting it, putting it on. And then probably the next video will be putting all the glue, the screws, the interior pieces that go in the front, painting it and all that. So it'll be a couple parts to this video. But for today's video, you guys will see it probably already put on top of the truck. Might not be screwed on and whatnot, but get the whole view of what it's looking like. And then we're gonna paint it later. We gotta hit the road and make some money to get it painted. As you guys, some of you think we're all trust fund babies or something, but we don't got that much money, so we're just slowly working day by day, making money and just making it work. So stay tuned and see where we end up on this video today. So we just got here to the yard and we're gonna attempt to unload this Beans, be careful. Unload this top cap and throw it on top of this roof. So let's see how it goes. Well, that was pretty easy. Now we have to find a way to get this thing upside down. That way we can just slide it right on top of the truck right there. I'm not sure how we're gonna do it because it's super heavy, but we're just gonna have to just send it. We have all that new piece too, but we can use that. A little water seat came through there, but it's all gonna dry up. It's just clean water, which is totally fine. I'm gonna set my camera down, probably do a little time lapse, and show you guys how we're gonna attempt to put it on top of my truck. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so now that we figured out how to turn the cap around, set it down on the pallet, we're gonna take off this tarp, put the pallet jack closer to it with the new cap, and then we're gonna try to slide it on top and, you know, see how it goes. There you go. Well, there you go, guys. We finally got the roof up, as you guys can see right there. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it's gonna get the job done. So now we have to remove the pallet, figure out a way to put all the glue around it, set it down, put the new windshields in. Just do all the, pretty much what we took off, we gotta put right back on. Just gotta go reverse. So pretty much, there you go. Alex did a good job. Loaded it up. Beans was aligning it. I was like the union being a supervisor, but
Teamwork made the dream work.
yep, there you go. Alrighty guys, so we have installed the roof. We were kind of needing all hands on deck here, so I didn't have time to actually record, and I forgot to set my camera up top here. But either way, let me kind of show you guys from this side so you guys can see. The roof is on. Look at that beauty. And as you guys can tell, what we did here with the tape, we're gonna start putting this sealer. Let me get on this ladder. So up here, as you guys can tell, all you have to do is start filling it with the seam sealer, and then with your finger kind of take the extra off, and it makes a nice seam that goes all the way around the truck. So we did it all the way pretty much around, just like that. I think this is the right way of doing it. And I'm going to this other side, show you guys. There you go. Try to mask it as best as we could, all the way up top here and there. And on the inside, pretty much it was pretty difficult to put it on because it's kind of heavy and awkward position to hold it. And on the inside here, as you guys can probably see, it's kind of dark now, but we installed there's also all that glue right there all the way around. We put on all these bolts right here, right there. If you guys can tell, it's dark, but now everything inside the truck has been installed, and we finally got our roof on. So the next step right now, let's see what happened here. Next step right now, what we're doing is Beans is going to be putting in that silicone or the seam sealer, and I'm going to be going behind him with the glove and making a nice seal that will be going all the way around. Once we get that done, I'll give you guys an update. And gotta still install the windshield, or both of them, because we don't have any windshields on right now. And from there on, paint this thing, and it is ready to hit the road. So let's start putting on the sealer and show you guys how it's done.
You got a window delivery?
Yes, sir. Send it on.
Transport?
Yep,
Yeah, just slap it on.
Looks like you guys need one.
You want to just slap it on right now? Or
laying this down for traction.
what are you doing?
That's gonna be for traction.
What track?
Well, just so it just grips harder.
Oh yeah, you gotta drop more lines.
Alrighty guys, good morning once again. This is like the third day of us putting the truck together with Beans here, and David was also helping us with Alex. I think David's in the house. Alex left on the trip, but I'm going to show you guys the final pretty much look on this truck now. It's finally finished. We got it all put together and it's ready to bang some gears starting Monday, which is pretty much today's video that you guys are looking at. It will probably be on the road but the color doesn't really match too much. It's whatever. Honestly, we painted it with spray cans and it looks pretty good, I guess. So let me show you guys. Right there she is. It matches like the hood and the roof match. The bed, I mean, not the bed, like the doors and the cab itself. Maybe it's because it's like 7 years old and the paint kind of faded. But either way, there it is. She is finally ready to go. Hey, turn on the lights, like all of them, we can show them. So we put these LEDs on in the top instead of putting the original ones on. They were cheaper too, so I figured why not. You don't have to start it. So there it is, all the lights. I don't know if you guys can tell the top ones, but they are pretty much clear with amber LEDs. I'll go a little bit farther back so you guys can see it. There it is. This is the truck. Got views for days up in here where we live. It's pretty nice. Can't complain. So yeah, this is the final look of the truck. Finally got it done. Obviously it's not like professional, but it'll do. The roof, got it for $2,000 like I said earlier. Saved a bunch of money. They said it was new. I don't know about being new, but let me show you guys the interior being cleaned. The whole interior up in here, as you guys can tell, it looks like a brand new truck now. Got all new rugs. Turn off that. Got all new rugs, seat covers for now until it makes some more money and get some new seats. Got new bed sheets and zoom out here. So yeah, new bed sheets here. The top bunk will put another mattress when we get a chance. He'll be driving it by himself for now. But yeah, this is the final look of the truck, all nicely finished. Got the CB up and mounted. Everything is all good to go. Oh, I gotta plug in my keep trucking. But yeah, there it is. Little view of the back. Definitely in the back you can see the color change, but it's alright. We're still gonna do those flaps up top. Haven't found them yet, but once it comes back from the trip, we might have some already ordered or bought. So once it gets back, we're gonna install those. But this will probably be the last video you guys see on this Freightliner right here. It was a lot of work, but definitely saved a lot of money. They quoted $36,000 to get this truck fixed, and we got it fixed for under $3,000. And the reason for that is because they were gonna put all brand new parts, like anything that's like, for example, let me show you where the paint cracked a little. So like right here, obviously they would probably paint all of it or blend it in or whatnot. And same thing that goes for, let me show you guys, the bumper got a little damage from the snowbank, like this piece right here with the fog light. We're gonna leave that for now. What else was there? Well, like the flaps, that's not even counting the flaps. Right now it's around $2,500 that it costs to fix it. The roof was $2,000, miscellaneous items were another $500. I'm guessing those flaps are probably maybe another $500 or so. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is the truck. We finally got it done. If us young kids in the mid-20s can get it done, then any of you guys out there watching, I'm sure you guys can get it done as well. We've never done it, and I think we did a good job for like the first time replacing a roof on a semi. But this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little build. We're working on the Peterbilt next week. Finally got the horn in, the spring horn. Gonna install the leaf springs. Got a bunch of cool stuff on the channel. Got my Charger right here, and I'm being Z63 right there, my Taco. Just a bunch of different cars. But anyways, if you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.